Hello everyone, you know that this channel is all about money making, be it remote jobs, businesses, anything at all that gives us money. That is what we talk about on this channel. But today, instead of sharing a website or remote jobs or transcription jobs today, I've decided to share a different thing altogether. A lot of you have been applying. I guess you haven't gotten. Don't worry, not everybody must work. Okay, so I've decided to talk about a different thing today that will make you money, a different thing, a different business idea that will help you make money in this 2024. So for this video, we're going to section this particular money making tips or side hustles that I'm going to tell you guys. I'm going to section them into batches so that you can watch them into batches. I don't want this one to be too long. Okay, so I'll section them and do them like 10 minutes so that whenever you want, you can go watch them. All right, so if today is the first time here, we talk about how to make money, and my name is Delphine. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. All right, turn on your post notification so that you'll be able to know whenever I upload new videos. So guys, I've been thinking about this, been looking for transcription jobs, translation jobs, and all sorts of remote jobs, but we forget other things that can give us money in this 2024, other legit ways to make money. So I decided to talk about content creation. Yes, be it TikTok, Facebook, and the most important one we're going to talk about is YouTube. So anywhere you know that you can do well, go into that aspect. But for today, we're going to focus on YouTube. Do you know that a lot of people are making money on YouTube? So imagine you live in a country where, for instance, Nigeria, and you're earning at least $100 per month from YouTube. You're a big person over there. So you don't need to have, the best part is you don't need to have massive following before you can start making your first dollar on YouTube. Yes, you don't need that, because most of these brands, you would say, they look for people with massive following. But no, you don't need all that. So I'm going to break them down for you into pieces on how you're going to start your YouTube channel and how you're going to get your first brand deal. So before you start your YouTube channel, this is an advice I'm giving to you because I went through this particular stage now, and it's almost ruined my channel. So this thing I'm telling you now, you can't get it elsewhere. They keep lying to you guys on YouTube here. Listen to me. Before you start your channel, have the mindset that I am on YouTube to make money. I came to YouTube to make money. I want to make money on YouTube. You need to have that mindset before you even start. A lot of you already have a channel, so whether it be you not posting anything, you have a channel but you don't know about that. So what are you going to do before you upload your first video? Do your research. You need to choose those niches that can give you money later, even when you monetize. Those niches that can pay you well, that advertisers pay really well per video, per 1,000 views. So for instance, when I started my channel, I started uploading random videos from the internet. It got really high views and lots of subscribers. One of the videos got me about almost 600 subscribers. That helped me to monetize my channel. But what happened after the monetization? After my channel was monetized, at first I wasn't allowed to monetize my channel because why? It was reused content. I'll tell you stories about that one, but I've also made a video on it. You can go down and check it. I'll link it up there. So I had to do a lot of things to get it monetized. But after the monetization, what happened? It wasn't making money. Advertisers were paying, I don't know if they were even paying up to $1 per 1,000 views. That video has about more than 84,000 views. How much have I made from it? So you need to think about this. Think about a niche that will make you money in the long run before you even start creating your channel, before you start posting your first video. So after you do this and you're satisfied that yes, this channel, this particular niche will make me money, a lot of money, then you start with your first video. So make sure you have interest in that kind of content so that you will not get tired, you will not get bored in creating it. Because if you run out of content, if you run out of ideas, your channel will suffer. Okay, so make sure it is something you love, even if it is cooking, even if it is any type of or teaching. Make sure it is something you love before you start. So when you get your 1,000 subscribers, I don't want this video to be too long, that's why I'm cutting things. When you get your 1,000, or before you get your 1,000 subscribers, you don't have to sit down. That's the best part. You don't just have to sit down and wait for 1,000 subscribers. No. What are you going to do? You are going to start reaching out to brands. There's this website called impact.com. What do? They link content creators with brands. So you don't need to reach 1,000. You can go and sign up on impact.com. Once your profile is approved, you will see a list of brands that are waiting for you to reach out to them. So you reach out to them, send them your portfolio, your media kit, and write them that you're interested in becoming working with them as an influencer. And once you're approved, then Impact will stand as a middleman. They will pay Impact and they also will pay you as a creator. So you don't need to wait for 1,000 subscribers to start making money on YouTube. I never knew all these things before, but I'm knowing them now and I'm sharing it with you guys. So don't wait for your 1,000 subscribers. Even if you're there now, go and do this thing that I'm telling you. Sign up on that website. Fill in your details. You see brands. Lots of brands are there waiting for you to partner with them, and you get paid. So you don't really need to wait to be monetized. Even if you monetize your channel, how much will you be making from views if you're a small channel? So these brand deals will help you make lots of money on YouTube. So instead of waiting to get your dream job of being a manager, a transcriber, or those kind of big remote jobs that you're looking for, why not go into content creation? Start uploading videos, and then when you get to this level, you do this thing that I've just said now. You sign up on that website. There are other websites out there that you can sign up to that will link you with brands, because YouTube can only link you with brands if you monetize your channel. But again, they've not finished linking up giving brands deals to large creators with large following, like about 1 million or 100k thousands and all of that. They've not finished linking them up. Is it you that just have about 1,000? So that is why you need to do your due diligence. If they can't come to you, go to them, pitching yourself to them, advertise yourself to them. They will take you. So many brands are out there just waiting for small creators to come on board and get brand deals, and you make commission. All you need to do is either talk about them on your video, dedicate a little portion of your video to that particular brand, leave the link in the description box, and anyone that clicks on it and maybe makes purchases or anything, you get paid. It's very simple. So guys, this is the number one thing that has been on my head since today. I said I need to talk to my people. I need to let you guys know that if you can't get a job, why not go into content creation? If you're already into content creation, why not start making money by reaching out to brands? Go online, search for brands that are looking for small creators. Use your affiliate links, put them in your videos, and start making money. Okay, there are so many ways you can make money on YouTube without waiting for your monetization the requirements to be met. So this is what has been burning in my mind. I said I need to talk to you guys about it. So let me know in the comment section if you're ready to start your YouTube journey, and then if you have started, let me know if you have started getting brand deals. Okay, and then for those that haven't started, give it a thought tonight. And if you need any help, like in creating your YouTube channel, designing it, and the other things, reach out to me. My email is in the description box. Reach out to me and let me know what you're going through. Let me know the stage that you are right now, and let me know the assistance I can give to you. Okay, so guys, take up this opportunity. YouTube is paying really well. YouTube is paying. Okay, don't take this advice for granted. This is just a simple advice, not forcing you to start a YouTube channel, but yeah, it's gonna pay well, and you're going to come back here and thank me later. So guys, like I said, I'm going to make these videos in batches. The next one will talk about another side hustle that you can do from home, right? Without lifting a finger, without leaving the comfort of your home. Okay, so thank you so much for watching till this time. If you made it this far, thank you so much. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, leave a comment. I always beg you guys to like the video and leave a comment. How can I get 2,000 views with 5 likes? It doesn't make sense. Please like the video and leave your post notification bell on, and I will see you in the next video.